every worksite's got its own must-haves in order for staff to walk on site compliant, right? Well, that's where worksite required skills come in. They help make sure the right people and gear meet compliance before stepping on site. Here's the setup. Pick whether the requirement is for a person or equipment and start typing the skill name. It must already exist in the system, so if you need, hit the Add button to create the skill and then bring it in. Once that's done, hit Save and you'll see it sitting neatly under Core Requirements. Keep building your core requirements from here. But what if the worksite has role-specific needs? Say every Boilermaker that walks onto site must hold their trade qual. You would choose the asset role of Boilermaker, then add the required skills that the worksite needs for that particular role, and hit Save. This helps build compliance across the worksite requirements, which are core requirements, and the worksite asset role requirements. That's how you lock in worksite skills and start to build compliance.